प्लीज़ वेलकम बैक आदित्य। पिछले मॉड्यूल्स में हमने बात करी थी अबाउट डिफरेंट मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज, स्पेशली अबाउट एंग्जाइटी, एंड वी लर्नड अ लॉट अबाउट इट। इस मॉड्यूल में हम और इश्यूज़ के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे, मेनली डिप्रेशन के बारे में। सो व्हाट शुड वी डू व्हेन वी फेस मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज?
Same as you do when you feel unwell. Take action, right? Diagnosing and identifying our mental health issues is much like physical illness. Is the first step in helping ourselves.
हेलो, कभी आपने सोचा है हाउ डू वी डायग्नोज डिप्रेशन? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट। डायग्नोजिंग मेंटल इलनेस इज नॉट ईजी। हर मेंटल हेल्थ चैलेंज इलनेस नहीं होती। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ डिप्रेस्ड मूड इज एक्सपेक्टेड, सच एज व्हेन अ पर्सन एक्सपीरियंसेस द लॉस ऑफ अ लव्ड वन। मगर अगर ये डिप्रेस्ड मूड चलता रहे और हमें तनाव दे या हमारी नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग में इंटरफियर करे, then a person may need professional care. Family or friends may recognize changes or problems that a person often doesn't see in themselves. This is when people need help. याद रखिए, सारी mental health conditions या तो treatable या manageable होती है। बहुत लोग जल्दी ही अपनी जिंदगी में बिना प्रॉब्लम्स के वापस चले जाते हैं। Others learn how to manage their mental health challenges with support. कुछ मेंटल इलनेस प्रिवेंटेबल भी है। अगर आपको लग रहा है दैट यू हैव अ मेंटल हेल्थ कंसर्न ऑफ एनी ऑफ द काइंड्स वी मेंशन्ड, द फर्स्ट थिंग टू डू इज टू गेट प्रोफेशनल हेल्प। सबसे पहले मदद ले। स्टिग्मा एंड व्यूइंग मेंटल इलनेस एंड ट्रीटमेंट एज अ वीकनेस प्रिवेंट्स मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम सीकिंग नीडेड ट्रीटमेंट। शर्मिंदा मत होइए, खासकर LGBTQIA+ लोग जिनके लिए ये स्टिग्मा डबल हो जाता है, as they are unsure about telling their medical professional about their gender or sexual orientation. अगर आपको प्रोफेशनल हेल्प नहीं मिलती, it's important to seek out help from a helpline or someone suitable. Here are some resources that you can check out.
The D word. क्या आपको पता था कि LGBTQIA++ कम्युनिटी के लोगों को 3 गुना ज्यादा खतरा होता है टू डेवलप मेजर मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज, खासकर डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी? पर अच्छी बात यह है कि हम मिलके इसका समाधान कर सकते हैं। गुड न्यूज इज दैट वी कैन वर्क टू चेंज दैट। इस मॉड्यूल में हम लोग डी वर्ड को साथ में एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, दैट इज डिप्रेशन। क्या है डिप्रेशन? हम बहुत बार बोलते हैं I am so depressed, or I feel so depressed today. It's normal to feel moody or sad at times. मगर डिप्रेशन में सैड या बैड मूड हफ्तों, महीनों या उससे भी लंबे समय के लिए बना रहता है। Depression affects not just the person's mood, but also their behavior, thought processes, physical health, sleeping and eating patterns, and other important domains of their life, such as academics or work. बट फर्स्ट हमें डिप्रेशन का स्टिग्मा दूर करना होगा। बहुत सारे लोग डिप्रेशन से जूझ रहे हैं और ये उनकी गलती नहीं है। दुनिया के सबसे मशहूर आर्टिस्ट, राइटर्स एंड परफॉर्मर्स हैव सफर्ड फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन। हमें इसे एक वाइड स्प्रेड कॉमन कंडीशन के तौर पर देखना होगा जिसे लाखों लोग एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, एंड विद द राइट अप्रोच वन कैन कम आउट ऑफ दिस स्टेट। सो व्हाट कैन डिप्रेशन डू टू अस? किसी भी और चीज से ज्यादा डिप्रेशन इफेक्ट करता है हाउ पीपल थिंक एंड फील अबाउट देमसेल्व्स एंड हाउ क्लोज और डिस्टेंट दे फील फ्रॉम अदर्स। डिप्रेशन से जूझ रहे लोग अक्सर अकेलापन महसूस करते हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि ना कोई समझता है और ना ही कोई केयर। दे मे फील बैड अबाउट देमसेल्व्स, दे मे ब्लेम देमसेल्व्स फॉर हैविंग अ हार्ड टाइम। डिप्रेशन किसी इंसान की गलती नहीं होती। इट्स नॉट अ पर्सनल फेलिंग, और ये जितना लोग सोचते हैं उससे ज्यादा कॉमन है। डिप्रेशन कैन स्टार्ट स्मॉल, बट इट कैन बिल्ड एंड गेट वर्स। दैट्स व्हाई इट्स गुड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट एज सून एज यू कैन। ऐसे बहुत सारे तरीके हैं जिससे डिप्रेशन किसी इंसान में ट्रिगर हो सकता है।
लेकिन आई थिंक इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट एट द रूट. हम डिप्रेशन फील क्यों करते हैं?
क्योंकि we are told that we don't fit in. What we need to really understand is that this can happen to us and we need to be prepared for it. But what else causes depression? Let's look at some of the common causes of depression. It can be biological. हमारे ब्रेन में केमिकल है जिनको न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स बोलते हैं. Changes in these brain chemicals may cause or contribute to depression. It can be personality, certain personality traits such as low self-esteem या ज़्यादा self-critical होना make you more vulnerable to depression. Also, when we look at it cognitively, people with negative thinking patterns are more likely to develop clinical depression, जिनको बुरे ख्याल ज़्यादा आते हैं. It can also be related to gender. More women experience depression than men. And this may include the hormonal changes women go through during menstruation, pregnancy, childbirth, and menopause. Co-occurrence with medical conditions. Depression can happen with diseases like heart disease, cancer, Parkinson's, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and hormonal disorders. When we talk about medications, to understand side effects of some medications can also bring depression. Alcohol and drugs. कुछ लोग alcohol, cannabis या दूसरे drugs use करते हैं. This affects the brain chemistry in some ways and again can increase the risk of depression. It can also be genetic. A family history of depression increases the risk of developing the illness. Genes or environmental factors का combination again contributes to increasing the risk.
Life events also, I'm sure, have some part to play in depression, you know. So what about life events?
Yes, absolutely. Stressful life events, difficult life events including divorce, financial problems, or a death of a loved one can contribute to depression. Early childhood trauma or abuse, जब हमें traumatic experiences होते हैं, वो हमारी mind को affect करते हैं and make us more prone to developing depression.
See, I'm also a little bit confused about the symptoms because they can come off very, generic. So how do we be sure कि ये depression ही है, not something else? You know, what are some of the symptoms of depression?
It's difficult to generalize, but depression कुछ लोगों के लिए एक या one time episode हो सकता है, while some may experience recurrent episodes of depression throughout their lifespan. Depressive episodes में आपको ऐसे symptoms हो सकते हैं. This interferes with the individual's normal functioning. Some of the most common symptoms of depression include feeling low or sad most of the times, lack of interest and pleasure in activities which were earlier enjoyable, fatigue and tiredness, lack of energy, feeling of guilt, worthlessness and hopelessness, anger outburst, irritability or agitation, even over small matters. It can be sleep disturbances, including insomnia or sleeping too much, reduced appetite and weight loss, or increased cravings for food and weight gain, slowed thinking, speaking or body movements, impairment in normal day-to-day functioning. And as these symptoms actually highlight polarities, sometimes it is too much sleeping, sometimes it is not sleeping at all, sometimes it is loss of appetite, sometimes it is craving for something. And so it's very difficult to understand and generalize it. ये discussion थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So before we continue, I want you to take few minutes to just ground yourself. Can you practice some deep breathing or grounding exercise that we discussed in the last module? I want you to do that before we continue.
So, now we understand what is depression, where it comes from, and what we can do about it. But I'm curious if there are different types of depression. So, could you tell a little bit about that also?
Yes. As we saw before, depression multiple reasons से होता है. I also want to give you a word of caution. Please, mental health issues को सेल्फ डायग्नोज ना करें. अगर आपको लगे कि आप अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, then it might be time to check or seek help from a mental health professional. Just a few tick marks on the symptoms doesn't mean it is depression or any other mental health condition. And it's very necessary to keep that in mind.
I know self-diagnosing can be really tricky and quite dangerous actually, but if someone is, diagnosed professionally and they actually do suffer from depression, how are we able to cope with depression?
Remember in module 2, we discussed about tips on how to maintain good mental health. I want you to take 5 minutes and write down how you think those tips could help coping with depression. Have you written them? Good. Now let's see if you are right. डिप्रेशन आपकी एनर्जी को ड्रेन कर देता है. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज आइडेंटिफाई करना कि आप लो फील कर रहे हैं एंड एक्नॉलेज करना दैट यू नीड हेल्प. रीचिंग आउट टू अ प्रोफेशनल और अ फ्रेंड इज इंपॉर्टेंट. डिप्रेशन से रिकवरी इजंट क्विक और इजी. You do have more control than you realize, even if your depression is severe and stubbornly persistent. The key is to start small, छोटे goals, and achieving them goes a long way in the coping process. You can't change everything at the same time.
Right. I think it's important to not put the pressure on ourselves to,
Absolutely.
cope or get better at all. So, what are the steps that we can take to cope with depression?
Some of the things that can help cope with depression are a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise karna can be very effective as medication for relieving depressive symptoms. It also helps prevent relapse once you're well. A simple thing like a 10-minute walk can improve your mood for a few hours. अच्छी नींद. Depression में typically sleep problems होते हैं. Whether you're sleeping too little or too much, your mood suffers. आपको अच्छी नींद at least 6 to 8 hours लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Also trying to maintain balanced and healthy diet with appropriate eating hours. Adequate portions and also considering less junk or packed food. Hydration is also very, very important. Avoid using gadgets, looking at screen for long hours. सोशल मीडिया का एक्सेसिव यूज, कंजम्पशन और नेगेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन से दूर रहने की कोशिश करें. कीप स्ट्रेस इन चेक. नॉट ओनली डज स्ट्रेस प्रोलॉन्ग एंड वर्सन डिप्रेशन, बट इट कैन ऑल्सो ट्रिगर इट. ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिसिंग relaxation techniques daily that help you relieve symptoms of depression, reduce stress, and boost feelings of joy and well-being. Maybe trying yoga, deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation, whatever makes you feel better. Also, reaching out and staying connected. The very nature of depression makes it difficult to reach out for help. You end up isolating yourself. It is important to not be ashamed of your situation or be guilty for neglecting certain relationships. Reach out and connect to other people. ये आपके मूड और थिंकिंग को इंप्रूव करेगा. Do things that make you feel good, that make you really feel good. Do things that relax and energize you. While you can't force yourself to have fun or experience pleasure, and that's okay. Push yourself to do things even when you don't feel like it. आप धीरे धीरे upbeat और energetic feel करेंगे. This could be listening to music, painting something, writing, cooking, or even reading a book. Journaling every day about your thoughts and feeling is a good way to vent out your emotions and feel better. Starting from anything that feels doable. Maybe also practicing gratitude. सोने जाने से पहले journaling करें. Try to recall any 3 good things that happened during the day. Try to be thankful for these small positive moments. Also to look at challenging negative thinking. When negative ख्याल आपको overwhelm करे, ये याद रखे कि ये डिप्रेशन का एक सिम्टम है. However, negative thoughts से बाहर निकलना बहुत मुश्किल भी हो सकता है.
Absolutely.
And telling yourself to just think positive. And it might be very difficult at that moment and may not be the most helpful tool.
What can we do instead?
I think identifying the type of negative thoughts that are fueling your depression और उनको replace करने का सोचिए with a more balanced way of thinking. For example, you may find yourself engaging in a lot of labeling. मैं बेवकूफ हूँ, ये मैं काम नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ या पा रही हूँ. I am stupid. I could not complete this task. I am worthless. It is important to be aware of this negative self-talk and try to challenge it with questions such as, what's the evidence that this thought is true? Not true? What would I tell a friend who had this thought? Is there another way of looking at the situation or an alternate explanation? As you cross-examine your negative thoughts and beliefs, you may be surprised at how quickly they crumble. In the process, you will develop a more balanced perspective. एक और स्ट्रैटेजी जो डिप्रेशन में काम आ सकती है is by practicing goal development or goal setting. It might sound too much, but again we can start with doable. Short-term goals आपको strong basis देंगे काम शुरू करने के लिए, and in return can help you manage and cope with your depression. In fact, we can do a goal developing exercise right now. I want you to take out your journal and write down 3 goals for tomorrow. Take your time. It could be as simple as stating, I want to read 5 pages of my new book, or I will go for a walk tomorrow, or maybe I want to go to the store and get myself a new pen. If you do this every day, you prioritize what you want or need to do and cut out the clutter.
Right, which again is very important to, make sense of things and still feel some sort of control on your life when you're experiencing things like this. Obviously, professional help is very important, but it's not something that everybody knows how to get, So, how to get professional help and how to recognize if we even need it to begin with?
It's very important to know when to seek professional help, as in when it's the time to reach out for professional help. अगर आपने सेल्फ हेल्प स्टेप्स को फॉलो किया, पॉजिटिव लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस लाए, लेकिन फिर भी यू आर फीलिंग लो और ये बिगड़ता जा रहा है, इट्स टाइम टू सीक प्रोफेशनल हेल्प. रिमेंबर, नीडिंग हेल्प मीन्स यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग and not weak. Seek and find a suitable therapist. A mental health professional जो आपको हेल्प कर सके. अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, seek a free service or use a helpline. Some of those we will list at the end of this module. ये बात याद रखें कि अगर आप प्रोफेशनल हेल्प भी ले रहे हैं, फिर भी सेल्फ हेल्प टिप्स कैन हेल्प इन योर ट्रीटमेंट, और वो आपके ट्रीटमेंट का प्लान और हिस्सा रह सकते हैं, एंड दे विल हेल्प इन योर रिकवरी टू प्रिवेंट डिप्रेशन फ्रॉम रिलैप्सिंग और रिटर्निंग. डिप्रेशन के लिए जो मेडिसिन है, दैट कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प अ लॉट. थेरेपी और लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प अ लॉट. टॉकिंग टू अ डॉक्टर, अ मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल अबाउट विच ट्रीटमेंट मे बी राइट फॉर यू. एक मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल आपको एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स के डोज से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Sometimes it may take trials with different types of medication to figure out what is the right medicine, what is the right dosage that will work for you. Other alternative modalities can be trying out psychotherapy or counseling. याद रखें, finding the right medicines or combination of treatments can take some time and effort. मगर इसमें निराश होने की कोई बात नहीं है. Psychotherapy has been proven to help greatly in treating depression. एक trained medical health professional आपकी help करेगा moods, thoughts and behaviors को manage करने में. Always remember, depression is treatable and manageable. We sometimes just need to be persistent. बस लगे रहना है, क्योंकि अच्छी mental health आपका हक है.
Absolutely, I think that is a wonderful point कि ये easy नहीं है but it is a priority. You know, you have to try and keep maintaining this nice state of mental health to really prosper in life.